remote control.
We have seen in the first video how to paint H. Now we are going to learn the icon names. So file, edit, view, run, help. They all are called tabs. This is called ribbons. And this is called script panel. This is execute, step, pass, stop, reset. This is called speed slider. This is called run panel. This is called message panel. This is called mini map. This orange area is called world panel. Now I am going to say what are the uses of these. So we know the script panel, how it works. You have to type, the robot gets it. Now I'll show you how the speed slider works. So I am keeping the speed slider over here for here. Now I am typing. Left. Now I am going to give play. So it just gone in a second. Only 1 second. So if you want just, so I want to keep it a little speed. So now I'm going to tell what is the message panel for. Now I'm going to type here forward, and I'm putting a wrong thing. Now I'm playing. So see, you can see here the message panel is telling us error on line 1. So it tells you if we go wrong, it will tell. That's what for the message panel. So I'm going to tell you how to change your map. So this is my map. The robot works in this map. Now I want to change map. So I'm going to file and I'm opening map. So you can see there are many types of maps. I'm just going for maze map 2. So you can see the map is changed and the mini map shows where is your robot is. So you can see the plus, it's your robot. Now I'm going to show you the remote control. Go to run. So go to run. Then you can see remote control. Click that. So that's the remote control. Now I am going to get my robot to this stone. My robot is here. So if you don't want this thing, so you have to click this one. Now you can see the robot. I'm going to take it to the stone there. So this is called forward. This is right and this is left. This is backward. And if you press this button, your robot will come to the same place. And this is paint white, paint black, stop painting, grab, put down. So now I'm going to paint white and I'm going forward and left, forward, right, forward, left, forward. So I am nearly to the stone over here. Now I'm taking left, right, then left, then right, forward, right, forward, left, forward, then forward. So now I'm going to grab it. So I'll show you in closer. So this is the stone. So you can see that the robot has grabbed it. Now I'm putting down. So my robot was here, came out through there and through here, and it came here. Now I'm going to grab again, and voila, we got this. Now I'm going to show you some other maps. This what we saw many maps, but there's general maps. That's called generate maps. So go through that. So if these all are general cave, villa, forest, island, maze. So I'm going to open area. I'm clicking open. So we got a clean space. So that's all for today. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and download RoboMind software. I am giving the link in the description. Bye bye. Bye friends. Thank you.